Okay, good morning. This is March the 14th. I'm still in Cape Town at the Royal Cape Yacht Club. I'm going on a trip today up to the top of Tabletop Mountain. I'm going to do a bit of filming. What we do is we're going to get an Uber taxi up to the chairlift and then take the chairlift, hopefully get the chairlift to the very top and then walk along the top of Tabletop Mountain so I can look down on Cape Town, Robben Island and along the Atlantic coast. Weather's perfect today. It's good blue clear skies, no cloud on top of Table Mountain, no wind. So I'm very excited to get to the top of such an iconic mountain. Blue skies, clear, no wind. Lots of times it can be cloud on the top of Tabletop Mountain, so you can't see the top at all. It's an absolutely beautiful day. Heading off now, just got meeting the guy I'm going with. He's actually a commercial diver that works in the marina here. There's two of them full time working on the pontoon, so he's coming with me for the day. So I'm just going to walk up to the reception area and then we'll get the Uber taxi and head off to the chairlift that takes us to the top of Tabletop Mountain. We've just come to the cable car part, just to get the cable car to go up to the top of the mountain now.
Welcome to Table Mountain aerial cabling. The floor you are standing on will be rotating as we ascend, so kindly step away from the sides and let go of all the silver handbars.
Zie je ze voorbereiden? Ja, maar dan kan het weg. Here's another guy hiking over there, Paul. to rotate like this.
Here we are right at the top now.
Like you're going into the mountain now.
Las apagadas.